school acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our final online assembly for the 2022 school year. Today I've got our school captains, Michaela and Saj, joining me to help me with the principal's report. And today I'd like to start off by asking Michaela, what has been the highlight of your school year?
The highlight of my school year has been being a role model to younger students and helping them out when they need it.
Thank you. And Saj, what's been the highlight of your school year?
My highlight of the school year would probably be participating in leadership roles and representing the school in events.
Fantastic, thank you.
Mr. Rolf, what's been the highlight of your year?
Well, the highlight of my year, there hasn't been just one highlight. Every single day I come to school is a highlight. I get to see children engaged in their learning, doing wonderful, wonderful things at school. I see lots of children having lots of fun. And I see teachers and all the support staff around the school doing a fantastic job, all working so hard together to provide the very best learning for our students. So on that note, I want to say a really big thank you to our teachers, our teaching team, our specialist teaching team, our office staff, our integration aides. I must make mention of the leadership team who support me with my job. I want to make mention of the people that do lots of work behind the scenes that we don't always acknowledge. And that's the Sonia, and that is the Sam in the library. And I also want to make mention of our on-site service assistant, Damien, who works so hard early in the morning and right through the day, making sure the school is tidy, it's clean, and it's safe and well maintained for everybody that comes to Cranbourne East Primary School. I want to say a really big thank you to our students for the resilience and the responsibility and all the wonderful things you've done during the school year. You've tried very, very hard. And like I said before, it's been absolutely fantastic to see children engaged in their learning, but having a great time during the day. Now, we've got a couple of really exciting events coming up. On Monday, we have the Christmas concert in the gym, which I'm looking forward to. Tuesday morning, we have
whole school assembly.
Yes, the first time in many years, we're going to hold a whole school assembly where we bring all of our students together in the gym, all of our staff, and we're inviting parents to come along to the face-to-face assembly on Tuesday morning. It'll be commencing 9:30 in the gym. We're going to be sharing lots of awards, lots of recognitions. We'll be conducting farewells and also hopefully welcoming new staff to the school. So I look forward to seeing everybody around. Have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. Have a wonderful, wonderful holiday break. Stay safe. Make sure you read every single day, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Take care, everyone. Bye now. Did you want to say goodbye? Yeah. Bye, everyone.
Hello everyone and welcome to our final joke for the year. Can you believe it? Are you ready? What did one snowman say to the other snowman? 10 seconds thinking time. See if you can work it out for the last time. Okay, time's up. What did one snowman say to the other snowman? Do you smell carrots? I hope you liked that one, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and a really exciting, relaxing Christmas break, and I look forward to seeing everyone again next year. Bye now. Merry Christmas.
An information report. The sun is the heaviest star I know. It's a humongous star and it's super hot there too. The sun's climate. The sun's climate is 5,778 K. The sun's moon. The sun has a moon called the 3,122 Florence. The sun's size. The sun's size is 696,340 kilometers long. That's very big. Fun facts about the sun. The sun is the closest star near Earth. Did you know that helium got its name from the sun? The mass of the sun is 500 times greater than all of the planets around it. The sun is actually 4.603 billion years old. And the sun has 12 names in Hindi, which is Mitra, Ravi, Surya, Banu, Kha, Pusha, Haryana, Garbha, Marichin, Aditya, Savitar, Arka, and Bhaskara. The sun also has 108 names altogether. 108. The sun has 7 layers and a crown too.
Information report. The Netherlands is a big, beautiful country. Netherlands food. In the Netherlands, puffer cheese and croquettes and Harvings Hollandstay Nieuwe. Netherlands holidays. In the Netherlands, King's Day / I can't really pronounce it.
That's okay.
Liberation Day. Netherlands landmarks. The Netherlands landmarks are Rijks Museum, Annie Frank House, and Van Gogh Museum. Netherlands people. In the Netherlands, Vincent van Gogh, Dutch football hero John Cruyff are famous people. Fun facts. Dutch girls wear pointed and curled hats with long dresses and aprons. Dutch boys and girls wear woolen clothes, but only boys wear woolen pants with silver buttons as well as a shirt and a jacket and a hat.
Today my presentation is about Australia, Australia people. In Australia, a famous person is Rebel Wilson. Australia's landmark. In Australia, Sydney Opera House and Melbourne Skydeck are landmarks.
Put it down a little bit.
Australia's food. The food in Australia is fairy bread and pavlova.
Excellent.
Australia's holiday. In Australia, Christmas and Easter are holidays. Conclusion. The Australian Alps get more snow than the Swiss Alps. 90% of Australia live on the coast. Tasmania has the clearest air in the world. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest ecosystem in the world. Australia has over 60 sea parrots wide regulations. Australia has 8 states.